In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add family members on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download a Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and actually, of course, open the application, then click at sign up or create your account. Of course, to create your account, then you'd like to choose the language that you want to learn. Of course, like to which language. So let's say as an example, you're an English speaker, you want to learn Japanese or something like that. Anyway, so of course they will give you a test to show your skills, to show how much improvement you have in this language, to see where they can put you exactly. And of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait until the application loads. And as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the application, of course. And of course, your home or your main screen may be changed. It could be another like main screen. It depends on what language you are learning, what is your progress on the application, and etc. Of course. So if we just click at your profile right here, of course you can add friends if you want to. If you click on that add friends, and if you actually want, as we said, to add family members, you would like to, of course, you can invite them, and you can maybe connect your Duolingo to Facebook, and even find Duolingo users from your contacts. So of course, if your family members are saved in your contact, just go click at find contacts, and you'll find people who use Duolingo in your contacts. Of course, you can connect it to Facebook as well, and you'll see like if you have family members on Facebook, you'll find them on Duolingo here, and you can add them as a friend as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.